Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
High Court has allowed the application filed by the state government where people who are fully vaccinated and post 14 days of their second dose, those people can enter Goa without an Rt-Pcr test or a rapid antigen test. So the very application sought by the state government has now been allowed. And liberal tourism, though, is something that the state government is not going to allow. That is what the expert committee's recommendation to the state government is. And it doesn't look like very large gatherings and all will be allowed. So that
what if situation worsens? High Court has made some observations.
Well, the petition is still pending. So if the situation worsens, I'm sure the government will take adequate steps. If not, then the High Court can always look into the issue and issue fresh directions when it wants to. Like how in the initial beginning, when the petitions were filed, High Court had intervened and made sure some orders were passed so that government could be put into action.